Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use the level feature on Instagram. It's a new Instagram update that you can use in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. So before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new, and let's start. So what you want to do is just go on Instagram and open up your stories by clicking on your profile, clicking on the plus icon at the top right corner, hit story, and here let's say that I want to center out this photo, this image of my PS4 controller. So what you want to do here is go on the left bar at the left corner, is the toolbar at the left corner, and there's a level function on the left. You can actually see it, it's right there, and when you tap on it, it's basically the circle with a line in the center. It will help you line people and items in the center by having an orange outline around the item. So when you click on the level option at the toolbar on the left, here is what will happen with my controller. I'll actually have squares, or not squares, these levels, and as you can see, it helps me center it just like that. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.